Bradshaws Home Improvement's latest project. In this segment, we're going to be talking about my 4 most asked repair questions that you can do yourself at home. So let's get started. Number 4, how to keep a handrail clean. With everyone being at home during the pandemic and the kids running up and down the stairs, mom, dad, whatever, are constantly putting fingerprints and dirt and grime on the handrail. The way that I suggest that you keep a handrail clean is to first get your cleaner, wipe off all the dirt and grime, and then once you did that, what you can do is you can apply a lacquer finish. And what a lacquer does, a lacquer will seal the paint, whatever paint color you have on here, whether it's brown, white, black, or unfinished, the lacquer will seal the product to give it a nice, shiny, hard finish. And you want to make sure you use a sponge brush. A sponge brush will not leave brush marks. And this is the way that you lock in and make sure that that handrail stays nice and clean. Number 3, how do you stop a running toilet? Most of the time, when a toilet is constantly running, it's because the flapper on the inside of the toilet is not engaging to cover the hole, letting water seep out. So we're going to talk about how to replace this rubber flapper. First thing you want to do is cut your water supply off. Then you want to hold the handle down and flush all the water completely out of your toilet. Then, once the water is drained, you want to unhook the chain from your handle. Once you unhook the chain from your handle, then you want to unsnap the flapper on each side. Once you unsnap the flapper, then you could take it to your local hardware store. Because they come in a variety of sizes, you want to make sure you get the proper size. Then you unpackage it, you set the flapper over the hole, snapping it back in place. Taking your chain and leaving about a 1/2 inch slack when you hook your chain up to your handle, and then turn your water back on and test it. And this should solve your constantly running toilet. Number 2, how do you unclog a garbage disposal? When your garbage disposal clogs, most of the time you hear a humming noise. Like the garbage disposal is stuck. What you want to do is you want to cut your power off, make sure your power is off. Then at that point you want to feel underneath the center of your garbage disposal. It's a little Allen wrench hole. You take your Allen wrench, you put it in the center of that hole, and you move it back and forth until it feels free. Once it feels free, you take your Allen wrench out. Then you want to cut your water on. Then you cut your power on, and this should unclog your garbage disposal. And the number 1 question that I ask all the time is, how do I get better water flow out of my faucets? You know, sometimes people will tell me my faucet is running slow, or my kitchen faucet is not giving me enough water. So one of the things you want to do is you want to unscrew the filter holder. And once you unscrew the filter holder, it reveals the filter. And what you want to do is you want to wash that filter out, making sure that there's no dirt, grime, and stuff, pebbles, rocks, whatever that's inside. And then you want to reattach the filter holder. And once you reattach the filter holder, you should get a better flow of water out of your faucet. Now, there's another style of faucet that has the filter holder built up on the inside. For that, you will need this particular tool that they sell at your local home improvement centers. And you just use this tool to unscrew the filter. And once you've unscrewed the filter, you also just clean it out, reattach the filter, and this should give you a better water flow. So this is how you improve the water flow out of your faucets. Thanks for watching Bradshaw's Home Improvement's helpful tip video, and I hope these tips help you improve the efficiency of your home. And as always, your home, your health, your safety is our main concern. See you next time.